We have three descriptions, right? A solution, a colloid, and a suspension. Clear?
Yes.
Now, remember, this is a review. I'm not teaching it. This is a review. Now, if I had this on your final, I'm not sure I want to have it on your final, you would have to get it complete. I'm going to give you something. I'm going to give you something. For instance, I'll give you the first one. It says, does not settle out on standing. Right? And if you only put, if it's two of them, and you only put one of them, then it's no credit. You got to get it all or nothing. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Agan, thank you for paying attention. He's got a job to do, so please don't disturb him.
He actually was.
Okay, I apologize, Agan. I didn't realize that you were being so scholarly. Excellent, well done. Okay. So, what descriptions best fit does not settle out?
A and B?
What do you think? A and B?
Yes.
Will, what's the result?
A and B.
A and B, excellent. We got that one right. Excellent. What about this one? Heterogeneous mixture.
B and C.
B and C.
That is correct.
That is correct. Would you care to continue to play? Excellent. It says particle size less than 1 nanometer. Very small, billionth of a meter. A. That's correct. That I know. Number 4. Particles can be filtered out.
C.
C. Will, is that correct?
Yes.
Can a colloid be filtered out?
No.
No, it can't be. Number 5. Demonstrates the Tyndall effect.
B and C.
B and C. You guys are good. How come you did so poorly on the test? 6. Particles are invisible to the unaided eye.
A.
A.
A and what?
B.
Just A?
And B.
No, don't look at him. You want to say B, yes or no?
A and B.
Yes.
Is that correct? Will?
Yes.
That you help do it?
Yes.
Homogenized milk.
A.
A.
No, isn't it B?
Yeah, I figured. Guys.
Milk is a what?
I can help you. I can help you without even looking in the back of the book. Because when you have milk kernels, it becomes a colloid. It's B.
Yeah.
It's not A. It's just B.
Yeah, it's certainly not a suspension, is it?
No.
No. The whole idea of homogenizing it, duh, right? You're making one phase, right? Solution-like, yes? So that's going to be B.
Yes. And
B.
that's correct.
B is correct, right? Okay, good. How about salt water? That should be an easy one. A, B, what?
It's A. Because you can't.
C?
Yes.
You can see the particles of salt?
No, you cannot.
No.
If you put a lot of
No, listen to me. Listen. Well, that's not dissolved, is it?
That would be
Yeah.
salty.
It's not dissolved. If you put a ton of salt in and a lot of it's at the bottom of the beaker, that's not dissolved. So it's not part of the salt water. What does salt water mean?
Yeah, I mixed up, sir. My bad.
When you give it, like, when you get contacts, it comes with a salt water solution.
Yeah, all of us, but I actually don't know.
Wow.
It's an example, not an equation. Okay? Now, what about the last one? The last one's a little weird. Jelly.
Would it be colloid?
B and
It really tells the difference, but it's still
How many people say B? Raise your hand. How many people say B? No, Will, you can't vote.
I haven't checked so far.
Okay, so how many people say B? How many people say C? How many people say B and C? So what's the vote? Just B?
I will check now. It is only B.
It is only B. They're not saying preserves, right? They're not saying jam. What would jam be?
But that would be C. You can kind of see, you can see the particles. You can also see like the You can see like the C.
Yeah. Jam would be more suspension-like.
Yeah.
Although it would be a mixture, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Would you, if it's like a mixture between the two, would you say both? Pretty sure it depends on
Guys, may I have your attention, please? This is in relationship to this problem. And I'm giving you a direct order. This is an order. I'm giving you an order. This is not a hint. You ready? Are you ready? Neve? Gabby? Thank you. Excellent. Know the difference among the three: solution, colloid, and suspension. I have a very, very creative problem for you to do. And you're going to need a working knowledge of each of those three. So on your cheat sheet, you may want to put down some definitions. Let me say this to the entire class. Are you allowed to put questions or answers to questions on your cheat sheet?
No.
No. Let me ask that again. Are you allowed to put questions, problems, answers to any of the questions and problems on your cheat sheet?
Yes. No.
No. This isn't a multiple choice question. Yes.
Will you give values on the test? Like
I will give you anything you need. I will give you equations. I will give you constants. And if you say to yourself, I'm missing the constant for blank, well, guess what? You don't know what you're doing, because everything you need is there. Understood?
What about tables? Can we put them in a cheat sheet?
No.
Let me say this again. You ready? You don't need tables or equations. If that's on your cheat sheet, it's not going to be good. Remember, I'm grading these. So you're not going to want to put something I told you not to put. Yes? And if there are things on there that I really don't like, you won't be able to use it at all. Understood? So be careful what you put on there, and be careful what instructions you are actually listening to. Clear? Are you sure?
Yes.
So we're going to label this. Comparing and contrasting solutions, colloids, and suspensions, and a quick review of what to put on your cheat sheet and what not to put on your cheat sheet. Clear? Are we done? Are we off?
Yep.
Okay.